Alright, let's look at this example. Gary bought an MP3 player at a 20% discount sale for $60. And we want to know what was the original price of this MP3 player. Now, the key for solving this problem is to understand what does this mean? What does the 20% discount mean? Let me use this example. Let's say there is a clothes which you want to buy, and let's say the original price of this clothes is $100. And if you are told you can get a 20% discount for this clothes, what does this mean? This means they will take away $200. Sorry, they will take $20. So you only have to pay this amount. You only have to pay $80. So then you can buy this clothes, right? So $80 is the amount of money you will pay for this clothes, and the $100 is the original price. Now, if we consider the ratio of these two numbers, and again, remember, 80 is the price you pay, and $100 is the original price. And the ratio of these two is 80 over 100, which is 80%, if we use a percentage to represent this. And now, since remember we have a 20% discount, right? So how can we relate the 20% discount with the 80% discount? This will be equal to 100% minus 20%, which is 1 minus 20%, right? Because 100% is 1. So, in summarize, 1 minus this discount should be equal to the ratio of the price you paid of the ratio of the price you paid to the original price. Now, this is the equation we're gonna set up for solving this type of problem. Okay, so we use 1 to minus the number of the discount, right? In this example, it is 20%, but if it's 30%, you're gonna put 30% over here. And this gonna be equal to the price you paid over the original price. So in this problem, you bought this MP3 at 20% discount, and you paid $60. So 60 is the amount of money you paid. So we put 60 on the top, and we're solving for the original price, right? So the original price, of course, it's gonna be X, and this equals 1 minus 20%. And then how to solve this equation for X? We need to convert the 20% into a decimal, which is 0.2. Now, if you don't know how to do this, you can do this on your calculator. So just divide 20 by 100, and this equals 60 over X. So 0.8 equals 60 over X, and then if we multiply X on both sides, let me write here, you will have 0.8x equals 60, and then to find x, we just divide it by 0.8. So the answer 60 divided by 0.8. So it's 75. So the original price was 75, which let me show you how can we verify this answer. Because it says it took 20% of 75, right? Because 10% of 75 is 7.5. Therefore, 20% of 75 is gonna be 15. And if you take 15 from 75, you will get 60. So therefore, our answer is correct. The original price of this MP3 player is $75. And remember, this is the equation we're gonna use when we solve this type of problem. Now, be careful, the discount, it may change for different problems.